you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have another product to show you guys. This is from the Rusted Orange Craftworks Co. Do you want to see what I purchased this time? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So I did place another order. If you did see my first video, I did say in there that I placed another order for another set of markers and one other thing that I'm going to add to the garden, and that is what is in here. That's why it's kind of shaped kind of like a record because of the other thing that I purchased. So I'm super, super excited. But if you didn't see my other video, this company reached out to me originally. They sent me a 7-piece garden marker set. They have so many amazing items on their shop. It's not just for gardening. It's mainly for like, you can have like a marker, your address marker, wreath, things for your wall, monograms, things that have like your names on it or initials, things for yourself, or amazing gift ideas. They just have so many things that you can personalize, which is amazing, especially if you know anybody who's having a housewarming, a bridal shower, they're getting married, they're having a baby, anything like that, even a housewarming gift. So there's so many unique items. There's great even ornaments. So when Christmas comes towards the end of the year, that could be amazing gift ideas for people. This is just an amazing company all around if you want things that are or are not customized or personalized. And I really, really love that. So they will be all linked down below, and I do have my own code they generated, which is Crafty, and that will save you 20% off all regular priced items. So that is a great savings. Again, they will all be linked down below. You can definitely go check them out. But I think this is an amazing company for yourself or gift ideas because of the different types of products that they do offer. So again, I'm super excited because I will have that other set of markers. So now pretty much everything, now everything in my garden is going to have a marker. And then I have a new sign that yes, it's a sign that I purchased for the garden. So here we go. There's a little card that says thank you for your purchase with their logo and company name on it. I'm going to go ahead and show you the markers first, since again, this is what you saw in my last video. So you can see what will be completing mine. Now I know all of the ones that I did purchase basically filled up like all of the little U shape, I guess you would call it, the main raised garden beds. And so in that video, I was like, I think I want to get another set for all my stuff, like over here, my berries, my grapes, the onions, that kind of thing. And that's what this is. So let's get this off. They package everything super, super well. They do send you an email saying once you do receive it, be careful because some edges might be sharp because this is steel that they cut it out of. So you might have a little bit of a sharp edge. They also do suggest if you want to, you don't have to, you can leave them the way they are. And if they rust and get a nice little patina, that's even great. Some people like it like that. Some people don't want it to rust as much. So if you would like it not to rust so much, definitely just grab a can like Lowe's, Home Depot of the clear Rust-Oleum. That's what I did with all of the markers, and that's what I'm going to do with these and the sign. But you can leave them the way that they are if you would like. You can even paint them any color that you would like. Eventually, if they start getting rusted out and I'm like, I don't really like that, I could always spray paint them like a green, a lime green, any color that I want. And then you won't even see that. Right now, I'm just spraying them clear so I can leave them looking still like the raw steel kind of look. But I do spray it so it can help protect it and keep it a little bit longer from rusting. So in this set, we have grapes, snow peas, because I have one that just says peas for my regular peas, and I already have a snap pea, and I do actually have all 3 of them that I'm going to be growing. So here's snow pea. Here's tomatoes to go to the other one because I have just one in the middle of 2. Now I want them to have like their own marker. Then we have strawberry. Here's potatoes, onions, and then we have berries, because I don't know if they're blackberries or raspberries. I have no clue. When I first planted them, they kind of just like grew all over. I think one of them might have died, and none of them have actually had a fruit. So I don't know what color that fruit is going to be. So I just got one that just says berries. Very simple. they're berries. One of the two, but they're berries. And then I purchased 2 singles because I didn't need a whole nother 7-piece set. I just needed 2. So I got 1 7-piece set, 2 singles, and the sign. And so I have blueberries and blueberries because I have 2 different blueberry plants on both sides of that little strip. So then I have that. So that will complete everything that I have. So there's 9 more to add. And the sign, I'm so excited to actually see in person. With this sign, there's 2 different sizes and there's 2 different styles. Okay, I went ahead and got the larger one. It says, sometimes I wet my plants. Now, I do have one of my merch shirts that I did years ago. It has this, sometimes I wet my plants. I'm thinking of kind of like revamping it, making it look a little bit better, because that's back in the day when I first started. I have never even gone back through my stuff to kind of like see if I needed to update them or redo them or anything. But one of my merch shirts that's there now and I might be revamped soon. But it says, sometimes I wet my plants. And I thought that would be super cute. Instead of having something saying like Tracy's Garden or She Crafty's Corner, you know, anything like that I was trying to think of. I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to put one of my slogans. Sometimes I wet my plants. You can put anything in here. I'm not sure how many characters it was. I think it was about 14 different characters. So if you had one name, a few names, you have, I think, 14 different characters that you can do per line. So 1 and 2. And then it has a small, I think this was the 15-inch. Does it say on my packing slip? Yes, this is the 15-inch metal garden marker. They also have a 12-inch and it's cheaper. So they have one that's smaller. This here is the whole 15-inch. It looks like that. And the difference in the style would be the rose, which has these little flowers for each 4 corner, or the other one I think had like a pitchfork or something. I'll show you on the side the different variations between the two. But I just thought this one looked so much cuter with the roses on the side, the little flowers for that little bit of a touch. So I'm not quite sure how I'm going to attach this in the garden or where I'm going to put it just yet. But I am going to go ahead and lay down the cardboard again, spray this front and back and all of these 9 markers, and then we'll figure it out. But let's get outside and let's get to painting. So this is what I'm going to paint them with. I'm going to put a few thin coats on the back. Once it's completely dry, I'll flip it over and do the same on the front. So let's go ahead and start the first coat. Okay, I'll let that dry and then do another 1 or 2 thin coats and flip them over. Okay, so the back side is all done. I put 3 different coats. Ma'am, I put 3 different coats, and now it's time to flip them over and do the other side. And it dried like perfectly, like you don't even see any drips. Like you can't even really tell that I actually even spray painted it. It just dries in it perfect. Okay, and this is after everything is all done and said. I wanted to show you. It dried down perfectly. There's no runs, nothing. So let's go ahead and get the markers in their place and we can figure out what I'm gonna do with this. So over here now we have blueberries, grapes, strawberries, berries, and then I have blueberries over here. So I have the 2 different blueberry plants on each, end. Over here I have onions, potatoes. And now over here I have snow peas, and then I put one tomato in front of that and the other tomato in front of the other one. So now they have their own marker. So now literally everything in the garden has a marker. I think they look absolutely amazing. And now it continues over there, so everything matches. I am obsessed with my new markers. Okay, so I found a piece of this that was actually kind of perfect for it. So I cut it to size, and we're going to move a few of the ladybugs and basically just put this right here in the center and then reposition the other two ladybugs somewhere else. Probably still up there, but yeah, so let's get this hung. And there we have it. See, I just thought if I put the sign directly onto the wood fence, it wouldn't stand out as much. So I definitely wanted something to go behind it, and I think that looks a whole lot better. Yeah, I didn't cut that straight. I can probably give it a little trim, but what else is new? I don't aim for perfection, only for completion. So now, that is now how it will look from the beginning. Sometimes I wet my plants. All right, you guys, so that will now complete this particular video, the second one from this company. That will now complete the rest of my markers for my garden and that new sign. I'm so obsessed with my new garden markers. I just think they look so nice. They stand out. They're large and in charge. Oh, and what I was gonna say earlier, but then I was just so excited, it kind of slipped my mind, and I don't know why. They ship super fast. Like, I literally placed this order last weekend. It's not even this weekend yet. Today is Friday and I already received it. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, today is Friday, and I have it in my own hands, from custom, like cut out, custom personalized for what I wanted, especially my sign. Sometimes I wet my plants. I don't think they've ever printed that on one before. I'm probably sure they haven't done that. So from, like I said, from grabbing the order, from starting the order, from completing the order to shipping the order, I already have it in my hands, and it's less than 1 week of ordering. So if it is something for you or a gift idea, you can rest assured it's not going to be weeks and weeks and months for something to come, because you kind of would expect that for a custom order. But not from this company. They ship super fast. And again, if you have any problems, you can contact their customer service. They will reach right back out to you quickly, efficiently, help you, answer all your questions, whatever you would need. So again, they will be linked down below if you'd like to check out all of the amazing things that you can get for yourself or for others, personalized, customized, or just however you would like it. So there you go. That's the beauty in that. You can have it say anything you want. I love that. So again, they will be linked down below, and Crafty will get you that 20% off if you are interested in all regular priced items. So that now will complete this video. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. What do you think of that new sign adding to the markers? Oh my gosh, let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.